Good morning, everybody. Steve Vance with Iron Stable Garage here. Chris Brown. We have a treat for you this morning. We got a client's car that is exceptionally special. We've worked on it for a long time. It's ready to start its next journey. And one of the reasons it's exceptionally special is it's my own car. So this is something that Chris and I have been working on for years. And a car that's been just great. We've taken it from really a rough condition to an award-winning gold medal car at the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, 992 points out of 1,000. We're going to give you a quick walk around the car, tell you a little bit about it, and it is a fantastic treat before we shake hands with the new owner that's going to take this baby on to its next journey. So come on up here and take a look. So this is one of about 50 corporate blue Superbirds. Many people refer to this to petty blue because the color is almost identical. And out of a total of 1,930 Superbirds, there was about 50 built in this special order paint. In this corporate blue, as I said, most people refer to it as petty blue. It's a Superbird. It is a 4-speed car, 440. There were no Hemis in this special order paint. There was only 6-packs and 440s. I'm going to pop the hood here real quick, give you a shot of looking at the hood. And we've got it warming up here this morning. But there you go with the, this is the original 440, matching numbers all throughout the car, meticulously restored, everything to either OE or OE improved. It's got the original fender tag, everything here. The aerodynamics of the hood here. This was designed to give you, this was the second American car that was ever produced with wind tunnel assistance. The first was the 1969 Dodge Daytona, followed here by the Superbird. And these were designed for one reason and one reason only, and that was to win races. In those late 1960s, they were discovering the benefits of aerodynamics. So you have the aerodynamic nose, you have the fender scoops, which on this car are non-functional, but on the actual NASCARs, these were designed, there's a cutout under here, and these were designed as you lowered the car for two things. One, to allow airflow to come up from under the car, and also in the turns as the car compressed down to allow tire clearance, which enabled to help the slipstream of the car. Of course, it's built on the standard Roadrunner satellite Belvedere body style, so from the nose through this center section here. We're going to come to the interior in a moment, but one of the things that's unique about the Superbirds is this back window glass. As they're experimenting with the aerodynamics, they're discovering that straight glasses or recessed glasses create a lot of turbulence and poor airflow. So by building this slightly beveled glass here, gave you a more smoother appearance, and you see that today in all modern cars with the smooth appearance over the back glass, less wind turbulence. Obviously that brings you back to the wing. This is a functional wing. Hey Chris, can you grab the keys and we'll pop the trunk real quick?
Yeah, he's getting it right now.
So giving you the aerodynamic spoilers. The car with this section of the wing actually works like an aileron on an airplane to keep it straight. So these cars would fly down the track and wanted to stay straight throughout it. This wing is adjustable. If you look carefully here where my fingers are, you can see there's a little Allen wrench type adjustment. The wing could be adjusted depending on which track they were on. And in the racing configuration, Don, if you'll take a quick look here under, you'll notice there's a bracket here. This wing is actually not bolted to the fender. It's bolted through the fender to a bracket that goes into a welded part of the frame. The reason being is at 225 miles an hour, if something happened, you didn't want this wing flying off. And in fact, in racing configuration, this wing is hollow. They would have run a steel cable up through here as well. So you can see everything on this car has been meticulously restored. Beautiful car. I've owned it for 41 years, so I have a particular affection for this car, obviously. I'm going to open the door here and let Don take a look at the inside. we'll talk about the inside, and then I'll hop in and show you. So this is a obviously white interior with bucket seats. This is the rarest combination. So when you start figuring in the rarity of the car being one of 50, the 440, the 4-speed, the bucket seats, the rare white interior, you're looking at about a build of about 1 of 5 cars. And it's been an honor for me to work with Iron Stable Garage, Chris Brown, Don Keith, general manager, who's also our part-time camera guy, to have this car. It's been a joy to have. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. I'm going to pop on the other side, Don, and start it up there.
All right.
You got the seats laying on the seats. On the seats.
So, I'm getting too old for this. That's why I'm selling it. So one thing, it may be hard to see here, Don, but if you can see where I'm pointing, this actually has shoulder strap seat belts in addition to the lap belt. I'm not going to put those on, but that was again something relating back to the racing days of the car. So let's see, foot on the brake, clutch down. Did you hear how smooth that started? Chris and his guys have just done a beautiful job. And of course, you got this big dog leg shifter here. And a lot of people wonder, why is this shifter so large? And the reason being is, if you're driving at 200 miles an hour, you don't want to have to look for the shifter. It's right up here in your line of sight. All's good. You've got a nice gauge package. There's 35,269 original miles on it. So again, if you look at, the car is beautifully restored, and you can understand why it scored 992 points out of 1,000. In fact, just to give you an idea, Don, if you look in those inside the door there, look at the hinges and everything there, you can see just how beautiful everything is. So from start to finish, every aspect, every screw, every nut, totally original. Fantastic job. Again, Iron Stable Garage here. If you need to take your car to this level, we can do that. If you just need a tune-up, our motto is a classic service for classic cars, but we can handle pretty much anything you've got. Again, I'm gonna turn it off here. We're gonna come out here. I'm gonna shake hands with the new owner. Key release.
Yeah. Put it in reverse.
That's right.
Yeah. It's been a while.
So, Mr. Randall, may I hand you some keys?
Yes, indeed. Yeah.
Come on in over here and shake my hand.
Thank you, sir.
It is a pleasure doing business with you. We hope you'll talk proudly about your new car and about Iron Stable Garage.
Absolutely.
And it has been a joy. So on behalf of Iron Stable Garage, Chris Brown, come on in here. This has been a labor of love, a joy of my life.
Tight. Get tight, everybody.
There you go.
So, again, everybody have a great, fantastic day. God bless you all. Bring your cars to Iron Stable Garage. We'll all be happy. Thanks.
Have a great day.
Absolutely.
Bye-bye.
That was fun.